Hi, I'm Earl Scime, Dean of the Statler College of Engineering and Mineral Resources. Thank you for taking some time to join us on this virtual visit to West Virginia University. If you were able to visit in person, we would take you across campus through our many buildings and facilities. You would get to meet some of our students, our faculty, and ask my staff lots of questions about the various opportunities we have for students here at West Virginia University. For instance, you could ask about our internships, our co-ops, our study abroad opportunities, our student clubs like our award-winning robotics program, EcoCard team, cybersecurity team, and a multitude of other opportunities we have for students here in Statler College. If you've already been admitted to WVU, congratulations. If you're still thinking about applying, we hope that you'll consider applying soon. Those of you who have been accepted and go ahead and complete your applications, remember that the academic deposit, is refundable until June 1st. We hope you'll think seriously about WVU, and I really hope you'll take some time and ask my staff directly through email, through our various teleconference opportunities that are coming up over the next couple of weeks, any questions you might have about studying engineering and mineral resources here at West Virginia University. I'd love to get to meet you if you're able to come to campus, and I'm sure over the summer and the fall, when we have more opportunities for face-to-face greetings, I look forward to seeing you and your families here at West Virginia University. Keep safe in this difficult time, and we hope to see you here this fall. Thank you.